Good morning, student. How are you? And now the three questions were left from exercise 2.5, and we will try to solve it. And the 14th question, without actually calculating the cube, means we need not to find out the cube of the given number, and without cubing we have to find out the values of this question. And now we already know this is x is equal to, what is this? X is equal to, let x is equal to minus 12, y is equal to 7, z is equal to 5. We know, we know what you know, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, and then tell me, when fx plus y plus z is equal to 0, then tell me, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube, here I am writing x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xy z. This condition is applied when x plus y z plus z is equal to 0, and you know it very well. And then it means first we have to find out the sum. X plus y plus z is equal to, what is x? Minus 12. What is y? 7. What is z? 5. X plus y plus z is equal to minus 12 plus 12 is equal to 0. So that means x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Then minus this identity we have to apply. X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xy z. Same. X cube plus y cube, we have to write the same, or we have to write after this one. X cube means minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube is equal to 3xyz. 3x y z. And then here is this. Please be careful. Some student will multiply. कुछ बच्चे कैसे multiply करते हैं? 3 को इससे भी करेंगे, 3 को इससे भी करेंगे, 3 को इससे भी करेंगे, which is completely wrong. They are multiplied to each other. Means first you have to multiply this 12 into 3 minus 36 into 7 5s are 35, and now multiply yourself and check your answer. It is your answer. Why this is applicable only under what condition? When x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc, या x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Is it clear? And now move to next question. Question number 15, first part. चलो second part. Area. Given the possible expression for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangle in which their area is given, it means we have to find out the possible dimension, possible length and breadth of a rectangle. Here is the area. This is the area. It means area of a rectangle in form of quadratic polynomial. So then we have to reduce into linear polynomial, means we have to find out the factors by splitting middle term, and we know the area is equal to L into B, and that will be, one part will be length, another part will be breadth. How? It is area is equal to, then we have to factorize it. For splitting middle term, you know 12 multiply 35, multiplied it, then your answer is this is your product, and here what I have to multiply minus 13. Here is minus and here is 13. And now find, now you do yourself, find the factors. Find factors. Find two numbers such that their product is 20 and their difference is 13. 12 multiply 35 and difference is 13. We have to split this 13 y. Now 2 factor you have to find out. Can you find the 2 factors? First, 1 multiply 420, which is very large, need not to find out. If you can easily find out, that it is good, and otherwise you have to do practice. When you will do practice, need not to find this way. 40 subtraction for 420 minus 1, this is 419, wrong. It is wrong. 210 multiplies 420, 210. 420 into 1, difference is not 13, and then multiplied to, here is 210, difference is not 13. This is not applicable, this is not applicable. And now this is in table of 3, yes. Then 3, 140, difference is 13, no. It means difference is too much. So then we can apply 10 directly. If 10, 420 divided by 10, then answer is 42. 42 multiply 10, 420, and difference is, what is the difference? 32, so not 13. Now we have to increase this value. 11, 420 is divisible by 11? No. 420 divisible by 12? 420 divisible by 12, check it. This is 35, 35, it is also, difference is 23, but we need, difference is 13, it is also wrong. And now 420 is in table of 13, no. 420 is the table of, 420 is divisible by 14, no. 15, we have to divide by 15, 420 we have to divide it by 15. And then 8, 28, 28 minus 15, 3 and 1, yes, 28 and 15. If you have practiced, then you can easily find out. Otherwise, you have to make this table, factor table. It means 28 and 15 are the two numbers. It means one is 28, one is 28, another is 15. I told you that first you have to write the larger number, 35 y square plus में 28y minus में 15y minus में 12. And what is common? Area. What is common in between these two terms and these? What is the common? 35 and 28 is divisible by. What is the SCF or divisible by? What is the common factor? Highest common factor? It is 7. I think 35 is also divisible by 7, 20 is also divisible by 7. 7. And here is y square, here is y common. 7, 35 divided by 7, 7 5s are 35. Here is y2, here is y. 35 divided by 7, it is 5. y2, I already explained you. Plus 7, table of 7 in 28. How many times? 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja, 24 times. Either you have to count the table or 28 divided by 7. 28 divided by 7, it is 4. We have to write 4. Minus. What is the minus? What is 15 and 12? What is common? 3 is common. 3 is common. What is right? 5 5 plus 4. And this will be same. Area is equal to 7 5 5 plus 4 and 7y minus 3. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So it means possible length and breadth are which one? This it may be length, it may be length. Anyone can be length. 5y plus 4 and 7y minus 3 respectively, or you can interchange. And move to the last question. Write the possible expression for the dimension of the cuboid. Cuboid is the solid figure which is three-dimensional figure which has dimension length, breadth and height. It means we have to find out the three term three function in which they are product to each other, whose volume is given. And the second part, what is the volume of cube? 16. V is the volume of cube. 12 k y square plus में 8 k y minus 20 k. What is common? 12, 8, 20. 4 is common. All are divisible by 4. K is also common. What is left? 12 divided by 4, 3. K divided by k, cancel. And what is this? Y square plus 8 divided by 4, 2. K divided by k, need not write. What is left? Y minus 20 divided by 4, 5. K divided by k, this is it. And V is equal to 4k, 3. And now we have to factorize it. We have to multiply 3 multiplied 5. Multiply 15. Here is minus, here is 2. Now factorize splitting middle term. Now you have to factorize yourself. Find the two numbers such that their product is 15 and difference is 2. Then the two numbers are, one is 5, other is 3. 5 3s are 15 and 5 minus 3, 2. It means one is 5, other is 3. We have to write first 5. 3y square plus 5y, here is plus, therefore we have to sign plus. Minus, difference means minus 3y. It means 5y minus 3y, this is equal to 2y. Other are same, this is same, and this is, this 5y minus 3y, 2y. And minus 5 is same. And now b is equal to 4k, and what is left? What is take common? Now we need to put bracket. In case of plus, need not to put bracket. Make pair. What is common? Here is common is y. What is left? 3y plus y is take outside. What is left? 5. It is minus. What is common? 1. 3y plus 5. Both are same. What is left? 3y plus 5. And what is left? Y minus 1. What is left? 4k, which is equal to v. And volume is equal to length into breadth into my height. By comparing, it may be anyone may be length, anyone may be breadth, anyone may be. Then the possible dimension of cuboid are 4k, 3y plus 5, y minus 1. These are the possible dimension of a cuboid whose length is, whose volume is equal to this one. Now your chapter 2 is over. In next class I will give you some question for practice and as a test. And I request to the parents, please check their test and marks yourself according to marking given by me, and that will be discussed in the next class, or maybe in the same class, or maybe next class. Here is a test and you have to do all the question, and the time limit for this question is only that is 20 minutes is sufficient, but I am giving you 30 minutes. I am giving 20 minutes. If the student can solve within 20 minutes, then he or she has practiced well. Otherwise, you can do before 20 minutes. But I am giving the time is 20. You have to stop within 20, after 30 minutes. Time is 30 minutes, and marks is 1 to 5. they carry 1 marks, when they carry 3 marks, 3 into 5, 15, and 15 and 5, 20 marks. This will be 20 marks. And I request that parents, please give this test to the student within 20 minutes and within 30 minutes, sorry. And answer you can check, or we will discuss in the next class, and whether you are right, and marks according to the step which I will explain to you. These are the direct answer. If the student has written the direct answer, then no problem. And that will be discussed in the next class. And parents, please check yourself, or the student will check in front of the parents. Thank you.